Okay, so the triangle here, and it's given us the area as 54, isn't it? And they want us to work out the height of the triangle. Now, what's important here is you understand the formula for working out the area of a triangle, and that's base times height. But of course, you've got to divide it by 2, right? So the base times the perpendicular height divided by 2. Now, in this case, we know the base is 12, okay? The trouble is we don't know what the height is, right? And then you've got to divide the whole thing by 2. And that gives me the area, which is 54. Okay? But if you think about this logically, you're timesing 12 by the height. Okay? Whatever that is, you're halving it, and you get 54. So let's think. Whatever this is here, right, we've got to halve, haven't we, to get 54. Well, what is it going to be before we halve it? Think about that. What is it going to be before we halve it? Well, we halve this top value, we halve it, we get 54. So before we halved it, of course, it's got to be double this 54, isn't it? Okay, so actually, this thing on the top, which we'll work out now in a moment, okay, before we halve it, it's got to be double this. It's 108. Okay. So we end up then with this. In other words, this top here must be 108. Think about it that way. It's got to be 108 because when you halve it, you get 54, don't you? And they're telling me the area is 54. Okay, so we just need to think about it that way. Think about it sort of in a backwards sort of way. When this top, whatever this becomes, yeah, when you halve it, you get 54. So before you halved it, this actually has got to equal 108. This top here has got to be 108. So then 12 times the height is 108. Well, 12 times something is 108. 12 times what is 108? So you just need to know your 12 times table to work out what that height is. Of course, that height then has to equal 9, because 12 times 9 gives me 108.